Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the only possible on Solana token. Ticker symbol is OPOS. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, September 30th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, if you go to Solana.com, that's the main Solana page. But they have a page, it looks like, specifically for this token, Solana.com/possible. So there's not an insane amount of information on this token. They do have their Sol scan on here. Now, they do have a decent amount of holders so far, 2,869 holders, 9 decimal places on this token. And there is a current supply of 999,999.95 tokens. So that's according to their Sol scan there. Now, they do have, it says OPOS is a meme coin on Solana. And that's all it says basically on Mexc Global. Not much information on there either. Now, they don't even have socials for this token. Like, there's no Twitter that I could see listed anywhere. There's no Telegram, nothing like that. Now, it just got listed today in the assessment zone, September 30th, 11 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search OPOS, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So like I said, if you go over to Solana.com/possible, that's where all the information is. Now it says withdrawals for this token on Mexc start the following day. So those start October 1st, 11 o'clock UTC time on Mexc if you're looking to withdraw from there. So it says built for what's possible. Developers from around the world are building apps on Solana for a fast, secure, scalable, and user-friendly future. A future that's only possible on Solana. Explore resources, connect to the ecosystem, and get building. So basically, this is the page that it takes you to. It just tells you basically what is possible on Solana. So again, this is specifically a meme coin, but the meme coin wants you to know what is possible on Solana. So it says, discover what's only possible with Solana's tech stack. So the first thing is mint by the millions. With state compression for NFTs, the cost of high volume drops just got a lot cheaper. Imagine onboarding new users and rewarding them. And then it has a read more section where you could read more about minting by the millions. So basically this is a meme token that is like an advertisement for Solana. And it's like, hey, this is what's possible on Solana. So besides that, I mean, there's not much to be said about this token. Like I said, there's no socials. So if you go to their page here, it says power global payments, and it has a twirling ball. And that is basically what in the thumbnail is. The symbol for this token is that twirling Solana. It's like a globe with, I guess, blockchain. It kind of looks like, you know, little worms going through lines. So it says power global payments. Solana's high throughput and low fees make it possible to support decentralized payments at scale. And then they also have Solana Pay. They have tech that scales ultra fast with Solana's native scalability. You don't need to make a trade-off between decentralization and performance. Also, Web3 in your pocket. With Solana Mobile, Web3 in your pocket is finally here when you combine a world-class crypto phone, mobile app store, and a mobile stack. Also, they have climate conscious tech. So on Solana, a blockchain transaction uses about the same amount of energy as a few online searches. So they have real-time emissions measurement. It says if you want to start using Solana, start here, the developer portal. Begin your journey towards building what's possible on Solana. Only possible on Solana. So find courses, resources, and tutorials to get started coding, building dApps, and more. Also, developer programming. Meet the Solana builders in your community. From boot camps to hacker houses around the world, find the right event to help kickstart your project in the Solana ecosystem. Connect with the community, whether it's Telegram, Reddit, Discord, or meetups. Find the right platform for you to stay connected to a global community of developers, token holders, validators, and supporters. So made for mass adoption, they have live data. So basically there is 4,798 transactions per second, 1,960 validator nodes, scalable with over 227 million total transactions, and 0% net carbon impact. And then they have discovered the latest ecosystem news. You can check that out. And then they have all their socials for Solana, career section, media kit, grants, disclaimer, blog, newsletter, ecosystem, change the language, all that type of stuff. So yeah, just go over to solana.com/possible and it just tells you basically what is possible on Solana. And that's what this meme coin is all about. So only possible on Solana is basically just an advertisement meme coin for what is possible on Solana. And it just got listed on Mexc Global as of today. So go check out Mexc Global. Check out the referral codes down there if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.